Look what we got here, buddy. Boom. This is literally a sewer. Oh, and Evan's hooked up. Evan's hooked up. Evan's hooked up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's got, I think his is even bigger than mine. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going fishing in a sewer creek. This video was filmed over 2 different trips. So, if there's a little back and forth, that's why I just wanted to explain that real quick. This video is sponsored today by me to you guys. It is a giveaway video. All you gotta do to be eligible for the giveaway is to be a subscriber, like the video, leave a positive comment down below, and that's it. You're entered in the drawing. I let the video run for like a week or so, and then I pick a winner. The giveaway is a $25 Amazon gift card for me to you. Just show my appreciation for you guys for supporting my channel. We just hit 550 subscribers. Super stoked about that. Thank you guys very much. I won't bore you guys too much with a long intro, so we're just gonna get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. All right, bam, Evan. Look what we got here, buddy. All right, so we just caught this nice sunfish right here. Whoa, and Evan almost stuck me in the eye with the hook.
Yay!
No, yay. So yeah, we got this nice sunfish right here. I'll show you what I caught him on and where we're fishing. So like I said, okay, see this body of water right here? Looks like a little creek, right? And then boom, this is literally a sewer. Oh, and Evan's hooked up. Evan's hooked up. Evan's hooked up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's got, I think his is even bigger than mine. Dude.
Oh, this thing has spikes.
All right, I need to get mine back in the water. So yeah, but yeah, we're fishing out of the sewer. This spills out into this got a deep little pocket right here. So this is where we're fishing, and you know, as you can see, it's in the middle of the city. You know, you guys just got to get out and explore areas and just try new things, and you know, find spots like this. I've been fishing this spot for like 15 years. So yep, we're gonna get to it. Let's go, buddy. All right, size comparison. Who's bigger? Oh, they're pretty close. They're pretty close. I think mine might be a little bigger though.
Yeah, I think it's longer, not bigger.
Yep. All right, let's release them. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yours kind of doesn't even look like a little buddy. Just go. How does that thing not go?
I don't know. All right, let me show you guys what we're using. So I got these little yellow here we go. There we go. Little yellow jerk shad things. I hand poured these myself.
Handmade them.
Yep, handmade, hand poured. I just did a little nose hook on them and just throw them out and you know, jerk them around.
I bit it like.
What is wrong with this? Oh yeah. Nice.
Oh, look at my lure. Look where my lure is.
Nice. Show the camera.
Oh my god. Look how it's hooked.
Oh, barely hooked. Go show the camera that.
Barely freaking hooked. He's got a spikes, bro.
Got one. Got
Nice.
one, baby. Got one.
He's big.
Oh, he's got the muck. He got the muck.
Woo!
This is some good, fun fishing right here, isn't it, buddy? On a little jerk shad. A little sunfish. Great micro fishing out of the sewer. Oh, you got that hard right there. Is he on? Is he on? You sure? He's on, dude. Oh. I saw your line moving. Oh, a good one too, buddy.
I thought he was not that big.
Yeah, show the camera that one for sure, dude. Stand back a little bit though, okay? Yeah, like right there. Like right there.
It's a decent one. I won't say it's my biggest.
That might be your biggest one of the day.
No, like in forever. Oh, this one?
Yeah, this one. You know what I do need to...
I'll get you one, there you go. I just use that. 5, 4, 3.
fun so far. If you don't have hemostats on you, and then you take the hook down a little bit, I'll show you what you can do. So it's in there. You can take a little twig, and you can get it that way too. And it just fell right out. Like that. See? Just take it, use a little stick to push it out. Evan's bit. Get him? Oh, littlest one so far. Yeah. Oh, I'm bit. Oh, I got one. Oh, feels like a decent one. Oh yeah.
One's bigger.
Hey, Evan, what do we find here? Oh, you got one right there. Oh, he got off.
Wait,
look at.
I can just catch him again, bro.
Look at. I caught this little bluegill right here. Look where we're at.
Look at. The guppies are trying to eat it. Look at. Oh my God.
Fishing his little secret creek. There he goes.
Bye bye. Oh, I had something, Dad.
Got one. Got one.
I think
Got
you
one.
caught mine. Because right when you caught it, one came off mine.
Finally get one, Evan?
I let him take it for a while.
Nice. What is that? Is that a sunfish?
Looks like it.
Yeah.
That's probably the one that kept on stealing it.
Here, should I go up there and talk to the camera? I got it set up.
I got little sunfish.
Caught something really tiny.
You got a little bluegill?
Yeah, a little tiny one. Look at that little sunfish.
Catching goldfish out of there?
Little bluegills.
Oh. I'm saying the one you got, I'm like, ah.
Oh yeah, it's a baby one. Yeah, little sunfish. Oh, got him. Got him. We got him. We got him. We got him. We got him. Hey, we caught something cool. So, I'm pretty sure this is a hybrid. Bluegill sunfish hybrid. You see that?
How did they make
What do you guys think? I think it's a bluegill sunfish hybrid.
Comment down below what you think. Yeah, I saw one bite it.
Sunfish City, baby. Oh yeah. This is some of the best micro fishing I've ever done. Right here. In the middle of the city. No one knows about this. Yeah, dude. It's pretty dropping it in and catching a fish, really.
Oh, I got something.
Oh, that's because you got one on there in the hour.
Oh my God, that thing's big.
Hold it up, buddy. Let's see it.
Looks like it has something on its stomach.
To the camera, buddy.
Oh.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you guys my my swim bait that I custom made. I started this with clay and made a clay mold of it. This particular color, I just kind of had like a shad or kind of like a smelt kind of color in mind. Holographic and some blue color with just some clear plastic. So this is the I designed this swim bait kind of with the underspin in mind. Whoop. And this is a cool bait, it's underspin. And so I wanted to show you guys the action of it. There we go, we're getting some action on it now. So that's it with the underspin, working with the underspin. You can see the blade moving freely. Huh? That's it. I just want to show you guys that. See, I just want to show you guys that. I made these in a few different colors. I mean, honestly, I'm not really trying to sell them at this point. This is just kind of a prototype stage. I only have one mold of them. But if anybody would be interested in any of them, send me a message. I'll let you know what colors I have available. Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We do monthly giveaways, so you must be a subscriber to be eligible for the giveaways. And have your post notifications on so you don't forget the giveaways. This is our fishing in a sewer video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.
Peace!